very nice. Also today, on the 27th of February 2025. Actually, this is the Engelbrekts 73 staircase F.
Staircase D.
D, I mean, yeah. But the last one to be finished.
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, the staircase D was already valid Horizon Tracks, but at least Gakro 86 got it before.
Yeah.
That's the last one, and so I got 657 days now.
Yeah.
It's built in 1998, December 685,782, capacity is 30 amperes, so that's grams. That modernization is completely impossible to understand.
Yeah.
But we got all the others together also. And yeah, they were not completely impossible, even or something.
Yeah. By device that maintained by CityHis.
You can watch the staircases A, B, C, D, E, F here, and calculate the 6's video on staircase G.
Yeah.
It's also in Sollentuna, Stockholm County, Sweden. There's a mountain house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much.
That's